Hi guys, here 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 3 times 4 minus 2 minus 1. Here 6 plus 3 is 9 times 4 minus 2 minus 1. Here 9 times 4 minus 2 is 2 minus this 1. Now here this is 9 times 2 is 18 minus 1 is 17 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 17 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have going to introduce this left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operation, this bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 12 divided by 2 plus 3. The bracket here is 4 minus 2 is 2 minus this 1. The next priority is exponent. We don't have the exponent in this problem. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here division and multiplication. For both are equal priority. For this we are going to follow here left to right. Here left to right is 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 3 times 2 minus 1. Here we have addition, multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 6 plus 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1. Here we have addition and subtraction. Both are here equal priority. For this we are going to follow here left to right rule. Left to right is 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is 12 minus 1. Here 12 minus 1 is 11 is the correct answer.